Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel once again. That's Spicy C. I'm very happy today because I've got two of my parcels. I do not have tank tops, so this was my third purchase of tank tops which I purchased from Flipkart, sorry, Clovia and Meesho. So I would like to share those products with you. So guys, I was just waiting to share this review with you and my opinions based on between the shopping of Clovia and Meesho, which is quite affordable and cheap and which products are good quality. So this is my difference. That's the reason I'm going to make two reviews on this video. Here we go. So this was a simple tank top that I purchased from Meesho, and I purchased two tank tops in colors pink and red. I received my parcel today, so I just got a packet cut open. Okay, so this is size large, was the last size, that's what they told me. I wanted to know the difference, how it would be. So this is a pretty pink kind of, I love pink color, that's why. So this is so soft cotton. We all love cotton and I really wanted something in cotton. So this is thin material but a stretchy kind of cotton material. So I purchased these two for rupees 180 only at a market, and this is how it looks like. Wow. So this is my tank top, which is soft cottony feel and stretchy material. This is size large and you get size in XL, large and small. I purchased large because this is quite stretchy, so after wash I need to check how it is. And cotton normally after we wash them it does stretch, so when you use them it will have a stretch and then it will get a little bit looser. So guys, this is my first purchase of tank top from Meesho and it's a very simple top. And soft and cozy. And let's go with the red one. I like this color, but this is a very simple top at a cheaper price. So if you want to go at an affordable price and just wear this as your casual wear, or you can wear this for your gym, for your workouts. So this is a good kind of material that you can wear for your exercises, or you can even wear it at home just to feel comfortable to make your home household work easy. And this is a pure red, bright red kind of top, a tank top. So I got these two tops for rupees 180 rupees on Meesho, and this is same as the stretch cotton material. So this will stretch, it's very light, it will stretch after wash, giving you an honest review. And this is just to wear for your daily wear, so I'm okay with it because I'm happy to get two in one offer at 180 rupees, and it's quite a good go for me. This was my first purchase with Meesho. Now I would like to go for the brand in the market, the famous brand known as Clovia. We all women love Clovia. Most of us do not know Clovia. I do my shopping from the Clovia app. This is how Clovia sends the parcel to me. So I've got my parcel here, and this is a prepaid order that I purchased. If you want, you can return it. So I purchased this size large. According to my size, I want a fitting size, not too tight or not too loose. I want it at a comfortable size, so I purchased it size large. I love Clovia products. They have a brand and they come in this kind of packing that makes it quite amazing. Happy is my superpower. With love from Clovia. I love the pink color of it. So let's get the box open. Okay, this is how the packing. They send me some coupons. This is on your period care, so you have oil and stuff. And this is on the first cry shopping, where I can use this. Also they send me another voucher for my shopping online for shampoo or beauty products that I can have. Wow, this is wonderful. They send me a queen card. Wow. Shop best at the Clovia offer, and I can use this code. This is a very wonderful 150 off on 1099. So this is how the packing is. I need to open up, and this is a wine color that I purchased from Clovia. Let's see how it goes by. I need to get it cut. Let me check it out. Give me a minute, guys. I'm sorry about. Give me a second. I'm very happy to receive this parcel today. Okay. So this is my purchase from Clovia, guys. Wow, I really love the soft. This is a soft feel and it's a smooth cotton. And I purchased size large, and I purchased this for rupees 200 from Clovia. There was an offer, so this is size large that I purchased, and this is a Clovia tag that is applied to it. The size large is mentioned here, and I really love this wine color, guys. Wow. They also have the inner print, which they normally do, but this top is not having the inner print. So this is by the Clovia, guys, and this is not stretchable, but this is a little thick cotton material, and it's a tight cotton. It's not stretchy like this. So this is the difference between Meesho and Clovia. So this is a thin material, but it's not a stretch material. It has a very smooth feel, and I love the wine color, whereas this cotton material from Meesho is having a stretch. This is a simple wine color with no stretch. You can see it has a very smooth cotton material. I really love this tank top by Clovia, guys, but first time they have not put a printed tag on the clothing. I'm really loving this color, and this is size large, so I can wear this for my special party wear and event. So these are the different types of tank tops that I purchased between an affordable price of Meesho and Clovia, and I really love it, guys. I'm loving it. Now these tank tops of Clovia are available in colors like red, wine, green, and also aqua blue, as we go pink, purplish kind of feel. And also they have spaghetti kind of tops. I will share you the link of Clovia right away. Okay, guys, it's very easy. If you buy from the Clovia app, you will get such discounts which I got. So I'm eager to use it after this video, so I can purchase more from Clovia and get more offers. So guys, I'm very happy being a Clovia customer, and also I'm happy with Meesho. I can wear this top for my daily wear, so it's okay, good to go. So guys, this was my review today for based on the products between the markets that I purchased. And guys, if you want to know more, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned on Spicy. I keep on sharing you more updates and more reviews on my products. Take care, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.